We'll guide you through how to review Dropbox and make sure you're using it to its fullest potential. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in with your account credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page, where you can see your most recent files. To start reviewing your Dropbox, click on the Files tab on the left-hand sidebar. This will show you a list of all your files and folders. Take a moment to browse through and see if there's anything you need to organize or clean up. Now, let's check your storage space. Click on your profile icon at the top right, then go to Settings. Under the Plan tab, you can see how much storage you're using and how much is left. If you're running low, consider deleting old files or upgrading your plan. For a more detailed review, go back to the Files section. Click on the Shared tab to see what files and folders you've shared with others. It's a good idea to periodically review these for privacy reasons. Remove access for anyone who no longer needs it. Finally, head over to the Activity tab to see recent changes to your files. This helps track who has accessed or edited your documents. Keeping an eye on this ensures everything is in order. If you want to back up your review findings, consider downloading a report of your activity. Go to the Security tab in Settings and look for the option to download your data. And there you have it, a comprehensive review of your Dropbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.